Welcome back to IDplex. Now you've built a beautiful Shopify store, now it's time to attract customers. Part 4 of our series dives into the powerful world of Facebook traffic ads to get your store seen by the right audience. So brother, whatever you have to do it through your Google Chrome. First of all, go here, do not download any other Facebook application. Whatever you do it through your Google Chrome here. The simple thing to do is to search here on Google Chrome. If you are doing it from Facebook or mobile, then go to Facebook on your mobile and enable the desktop site from the sidebar and then press OK. It will be better for you there. So simply by scrolling a little bit, you will get the option of see more. Scroll a little bit and you have to create a normal page, and remember that you have to put proper profile picture in the page, which means that you will get a normal page. So that if you place an ad, Facebook does not disable your ad. Meaning, follow their policies by looking properly, put proper profile picture, do some posts, so that you can get a genuine page here. Simply create a page here. Once you create a page, you will get a simple ad manager option here. Going to this, your Facebook account will be different. Your Facebook page got deleted. Whatever your ad will run, it will run through the Facebook page. So you can easily do this from any Facebook account which is different from your Facebook account. You will create your own page inside your Facebook account so that when you place an ad, it will show your Facebook page to people. Your account will not be shown. Your Facebook page will be shown there. So simply tap on create, you will get many options. How to set up another set, how to set up traffic, how to set up your engagement, how to set up a for promotion. At such a time, today we will talk about traffic ads. How will we install traffic ads? How is everything basic? Here, you can simply tap on continue and select the manual traffic campaign and then continue. And this time I will tell you how to set different ads separately. Whatever session will run from now on, I will tell you which one will run last and get sales. Here you can add campaigns on your agreement, which is any of our product like Assume Kitchen Tools, any of our XYZ, any of our product. Here you all have the product according to your name. You can make any campaign name according to your choice here also. So scroll a little bit and there is no need to fill anything else. It will be simple for you. You will have to put next here and everything else will have to be put here. Everything is here. Here you can enter the proper name of the ad set. XYZ. You have to put anything according to your understanding. I am inserting XYZ. Will you get an option for conversion website, messaging app, Instagram profile or call? So simple. Here we have a normal website. So here we have to select only the website. And if you want to bring traffic through messaging, Instagram, WhatsApp, then you can select these messaging apps. But guys, if you're a Shopify website, then here you have to select the website itself and you will get an option. Remember the performance policy. That is, you should not place ads now until the entire series of ads is over. Whenever your ad is finished, you will have to place your ad here. Here you should leave it for maximum number of links clicks. And there is an option here you should leave it also. So the better result I can generate and give the result there automatically, the result will be at a cost. Here put budget according to your brother. You want to put a budget of 1000. You may want to set a budget of rupees 1000 or 500. If you invest 500 rupees, then you have to try as much as you can in your budget. If you start with minimum budget, it is better you can spend 5 days there. It is best to invest as little as possible here in the beginning and on what date you have to start your ad. By which date you want to run your ad. Here you can enter I start day and a year. And in the last section, we will talk about how we can do detailed targeting and how we can create different ad sets on different interests there. So in this last session, we are going to learn that. Whatever basic you have here, I have told you that you have to learn the basics here. Simple here. Tor is to type on the original audience. Here you can use advantage plus audience or create a custom audience. So it is more correct here. Here you can enter anything according to your product. If you change the location to Indian, then you have to enter India location. Remember, it depends on how the product is, whatever age you have on your product. It depends on whatever total product you have to keep selecting the same product. Assume you are selling a kitchen tool or sell a women's product like this, then try it. From 21 to 40. One option is your gender. If you have a man product, then simply select it. If you have a woman product, then select it. It is a gadget. This means that you can search on both of them, then you can select all here and leave it. Which means that what happened is that I and the woman both will visit your website and they liked it and purchased the product. How can you give the details? We'll learn targeting again in the next session. After all, people will basically cover the whole thing here till now, and here a simple more option will come. Before watching, let's save these audience as per our and new audience of ours. This is our little audience here. It is seen here on more option. Let's drip OK. A lot of things. All this is used here. You can create text here and then OK. Now we move ahead and select the language here. Whatever is your language. If Hindi is English India, then I am Hindi and English is here. You can put Hindi here. And here you can put English here and Hindi and English. You can save your audience here. Now look at your language. That is, if you have selected Hindi and English on Facebook in your device, then you have gone to them only. You can mediate it on placement. Coming to the placement. After the placement, you will select the manual placement, and here you will get the option of more devices. And on the device, whether you want to make it a mobile phone or a desktop, then your purchase cost will be quite high. If you use a mobile phone, then there will be a lot of people purchasing it at your cost. There will be a good deal of rupees and whatever effort you have to do. Remove the audience network. And whatever you try, brother, there will be a good audience on Instagram. Whatever efforts may be made on Instagram, Facebook, it will be better if you set Instagram because currently there is a lot of good leads on Instagram. So here you see your ad according to you and where to run the ad. If you want to run it on Facebook, then check Facebook store, or if you want to run Instagram profile on Instagram, then check it out. If your video here. If you type reel, then you put it in reel, or if you type your video field, then put it in feed. There is no problem from here, it is simple. After that you have to do the next thing. This is our last page and it goes to this page. How to do this? You can put the name of your ad here. Any one of your ad set can put his name of your ad here. And after entering this, you will get an option here to scroll a bit. Add media and whatever you need to upload video. Everything has been provided to you there in the group of your winning product. Which product to pick and which video to pick. You can pick that same video and play it here. After saving the video from there, upload it here and start advertising the video from there. Here you can enter primary text with the help of ChatGPT. What is yours? You can write the description of your product here. Here also you have to put proper description. For example, I don't have any excise, I don't have any product, so you can put the excise of your product here and whatever primitive test you can get with the help of chat. Put here we test about primary test. Whatever your points remain there, this product would create a good primary test. You can paste the paragraph here. It is necessary to give some description. Put the description. It will be good for you, otherwise Facebook might disable ads. As long as you place proper ads here, you will do everything properly then ad. If you don't disable it and order here, it will look a little more attractive. And our last option is to put a simple website URL here. As soon as you put the website URL here, if anyone visits your website, then whatever video you have posted here, then if any person types the link of that video, then they will be referred to the website here, and then from there he or she orders. So it is simple, brother. How can you put basic ad here? Have seen 3 pages of proper ads. Then in the upcoming session, how will you do detailed targeting? You can create different ads and target people with different interests. So everything is in our next member. So it was absolutely basic. You should keep filling this in your mind. Whichever session will be of 4 to 5 days and will be run from here on a regular basis. Everything will be included in it and your cover will be simple. So as soon as you click on it, after some time as your ad becomes active, visitors will start coming to your store and so on. Your proper product. So the simple thing to do is that the basic thing is to complete the state in 3 to 4 days. Then we will learn how to share with private suppliers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to IDplex for more helpful Shopify tutorials for additional resources on Facebook ads. Happy selling!